Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Obaiza chita nepo. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Obaiza chita nepo.
Welcome to Batondy pano ka Obri action usana zwimwe teknika pone yeah I'm back again ndikwadisa pano no actor ka album ya Batondy Terry album ko to ifedza yote usana zwimwe fedzi atinga post video chimwe chete hapa ndoto ndibiya ngathekele kuti Venda Hyenas vazidzo kwamba ngamini dzi Hyenas tsoma zoni mapunga dzi freestyle kana ndi mapunga kuti muthu mwana mumwe actor ngandala yawo kana muthu mwana mumwe aya asumbedze vukoni yawo can you beat it zvino ndi Hyenas Venda Hyenas zvikamba zoti hava ndi dzi Venda Finance wana uri badita mushumo una wapoti ndo wakudinga manda Terry watosedza zvakuti hey Venda Hyenas ndi limbo ndo official watu vanjinga manda Venda Hyenas ndi Batondy official Vistro. I don't know if in the cover zone, but Vistro, huna Kid Venda, huna JR Player, huna Rine, huna Awesome Fane, huna Flomatiki, havana Crosswave. Yeah, but ndibanja bana vada kurepa pezi vadomparela because atotodiva vatu vanjapa so ndidiro like ugavane vana kuno bagava nga chishima chindo kugava ngacho oyo ndinyi vadomparela. I want to know who is this, but I hope this track is a hit because most chief Venda Hyenas we are representing, but they're representing us. I'm going to the Hyenas of Venda. Let's listen to it and read for sorry. What for us be?
Yeah, it's a boy Castro.
Okay.
No, hey. I'm up on this shit like I'm CR saving. One of my hope is nigga.
I've been on this shit like I'm CI saving. Oh, come on.
Like I'm CR saving. One of my hope is nigga wake and bake me. I roll I'm not slow, nigga, that's my A-game. Kill a white nigga like his motherfuck. I got no evidence on this.
Killing white niggas like his motherfucker. That's a wet line. I don't know, but can't just go for like killing white niggas like mother. I don't know. It's kind of like a work to me.
White nigga like his motherfuck. I got no evidence on this shit, I'm undercover. Goddamn, afraid the feel.
I got every dance minimum I'm undercovered. Sorry, so can you start to watch English? I
got no evidence on this shit, I'm undercover. Goddamn, afraid.
I got no evidence on this shit. I'm undercovered. That's a fire line. That's a dope line. Undercover na zone tono whatever kunyanga evidence to people, so I got no evidence on this shit. I'm undercovered.
Dance on the shit, I'm undercover. Goddamn, afraid to feel a paranoid. I'm back on the game, niggas they bow down. I'm unstoppable, unpredictable. It is impossible to kill this type of dude. Thank God, now I know that I gotta move. Finally, yeah. You know, woman, I'm rao, Canada panda, ganda. I'm on my way to the riches. It's big town, motherfucker, come by me. Hey. I'm a Venda Hyena varindinyo nokodina ride my wave motherfucker ndine mshonga nidolina ukajini ndamba mzika wene kwamba pokatina. Who's the king, who's the leader, ndide nanga kakati. But 2020 from the dusty playing daily. Ain't no hesitation lately cause your lady call me daily. Keep on baking every day. I ain't with them baby, got the keys on my back. Man I'm feeling like an any cry a river for your nigga. Nandy chico where I theory. Bakusumera the dia all the game just a bailey. Fuck the crown of the Venda.
Vakushumela dzibhiya yo namapungo ke album okay
like an any cry a river for your nigga Nandy chico where a theory vakusumera dzibhiya all the game just a bailey. Fuck the crown of the Venda wave, shit is way too heavy.
Fuck the crown of the Venda wave. Fuck the crown of the Venda wave. I don't know if Nishiko Richa or something, but if you remember una Rine anawa hone kene ayina futhi una track ana Misophili inomzo Venda wave, and then Misophili but when you describe as a king of Venda rap. So musuchi ujupi fuck the crown of the Venda wave. I'm not gonna finish about mapungo we will reach ukwambwa mwa muto babetu, but yeah.
Made up the beer, all the gain, it just a belly. Fuck the crown of the Venda wig, she just way too heavy. Muji.
Shit way too heavy.
First of all, blessings on blessings. Schooling niggas daily menace, lessons on lessons.
Okay, I think going the root kid Venda, and I don't know much rapper, so I just think Ungari going the root kid Venda, I think, yeah.
First of all, blessings on blessings. Schooling niggas daily menace, lessons on lessons. But I'm never getting tired. There's no sweating, rapping off top, no paper, no pen, and no text. I can write if I see my jaba office. I bring the heat up in the game, nigga, but no geese. Abadi bichutunga hagi kofa kopisa ninga bandim tuku kabu mara ninga ba office. Just because I'm not famous, they don't brag about me. They say you got nice flows, that's when they take about me. I know my life is a movie, but don't act around me. I'm the rap game god.
I know my life is a movie, but don't act around it. Yo, my God, that's a dope line. That's a dope line. Very dope line. Very, very, very dope line.
That's when they take about me. I know my life is a movie, but don't act around me. I'm the rap game godfather, the dead around me. In the trough and
I'm the rap game god. What was it? Apa uko zamo tsela la metro. Habe Venda rap god dibazo in metro CMG. So hey, this line, nah man.
When they take about me, I know my life is a movie, but don't act around me. I'm the rap game godfather, the dead around me. Ufivese in the trough and caro. Vanga simbarere ndiya konda sam.
Verse and the 12. Ndoprisa chikaro. Ngamwendera oprisa that 12 ya budzwa yona.
Further the dead around me. Ufivese in the trough and caro. Vanga simbarere ndiya konda sambaro. Vanga sinkono pirara.
Vanga simbele ndiya konda sambaro. Come on, talk your talk. Talk your talk, man. Hey, kove jana nanga zutumi kuloni, man. Hey.
Caro, Vanga simbarere ndiya konda sambaro, Vanga sinkono pirara nindi vekapo, Nim saviti pasabe ninga basumbeza msabo.
Venda Hyenas, I'm the man on the throne. Timber Jenna gaming up Hyenas finger jump down. Yeah, they know it's my time. I'm the eliminator. Yeah, act like a president in the Oliver town. Give me credit, give me.
I gotta guess who you the JR player. I just have to guess like who you the JR player, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, they know it's my time. I'm the eliminator. Yeah, act like a president in the Oliver town. Give me credit, give me cash.
Yeah, like president in the Oliver Tambo. I'm not sure at the Mandanga history, but I'm not sure if Oliver Tambo was once a president of ANC or something, but maybe. So yeah, let's just go.
Yeah, they know it's my time. I'm the eliminator. Yeah, act like a president in the Oliver town. Give me credit, give me cash. The feel okay. I'm a runner of the street. No one in my lane. I heard them talking about me. Took over cause they praise. End up trying to be me. Man, they call me Big J. They got up. What about Kobalats in the morning? Pull a shot up.
So okay, so when I'm over David that the God no. Everybody's calling themselves the God. If you remember Musarajo Mizofil King, everybody was like, I'm the king of rap. Now everybody's calling themselves the God. Okay.
Be me, man, they call me Big J. They got up. What about Kobalats in the morning? Pull a shot up. You know, chicas are what chica robo. Yeah, the chicas are my daughter.
So that line yako tebelele ya madodo yako tebelele yofi and madodo ndingaba nyesa chikolo, so those are like lines ndiko tebelana. Okay, fine.
Kina chika za wachika robo. Yendi chika za madodo. Yafuna ngaba jeni sa chikoro. Matomera gude boye. Gore watala kifutu ngure. Kono tere za rola da kure. I am king, I'm on my way now. Ndiyo fura zimwezi wema.
Yeah, I don't have much, but I make sure that I make much money. I mean, since I pull up in the way.
I think when the JR player, yeah man, I think when the owner winner or awesome fame, mutika na babiri.
Much, but I make sure that I make much money. I mean, since I pull up in the way, they don't wanna kiss shit, cause I'm better than fame and got a pants gay for me. Pressure, so on you guys who don't give pleasure and the applause to the real OGs, not Lema. I'm from Venda Main Street Vendors. I'm the blood, switch the light. Mama so proud. If I pull up in the car, mama, you can take a ride. Yeah. They told me I'm very rich since.
Yeah, whoever it is, I think yeah, got on an awesome fan, kana owner winner. I think it mtu and hey, this verse is boring. Hey, verse got the boring about to bash.
Yeah. They told me I'll be rich. Since then, man, I work like this. Man, don't quit. Man, make meal. Man, keep doing. Man, pray daily. Man, love enemies. I'm God with small G.
I've been body bagging rappers, now they're saying I'm a bagger, please. All these bitches.
Okay. Or you, I think in the Phlomatic, I know Phlomatic voice, so I think this one is Phlomatic.
Small G.
I've been body bagging rappers, now they're saying I'm a bagger, please. All these bitches talking shit, just to start trend. You think auto-tune and lyrics gonna make you sound any better, P. I'm the youngest, but the others getting mad.
You think tuning on any lyrics like your flows and everything gonna make you better? Yo.
Think auto-tune and lyrics gonna make you sound any better, P. I'm the youngest, but the others getting mad. A disaster. Running these niggas like I'm Caster. Only been a lab, but I'ma do my.
Running these niggas like I'm Caster. Okay. Caster Simin. Okay.
But the others getting mad, a disaster. Running these niggas like I'm Caster. Only been a lab, but I'ma do money can catch up, I'm faster. Plus I don't need no smoke to rest on these niggas while they busy claiming they fucking ass. So, ooh, they still claim they juice, but they pockets loose. I spend less on booze, but I invest on shoes. Be the highest dude, cause of the way I move, nigga. I play with bars like I don't pay my dues. All these niggas are hyenas, I'm a monster.
Okay. Nano kaka pala petu. Uyu waba kwa rappers unake vese pala kwamba za Caster. Ndi on some fans. Kama zola wala wa vese yobora. Ndi unarwine. Wala wa vese yobora ndi unarwine. And then hoyu ndi Orphem fan la wa rappers no. Uko da Phlomatic. Ro ifachi to Thomas on Phlomatic. Flow ya Phlomatic ndi idea. Udimiza flow these days ma.
Shoes, be the highest dude, cause of the way I move, nigga. I play with bars like I don't pay my dues. All these niggas are hyenas, I'm a monster. Flow is so sick.
Lena Toma ngoro before watu marawash. If all these niggas are hyenas, I'm a monster. Shoo, come on, man. Ish.
Nigga, I play with bars like I don't pay my dues. All these niggas are hyenas, I'm a monster. Flow is so sick, call a doctor. See them lining up, now I kill it.
Flow is so sick, call a doctor. Okay. Flow so sick, call a doctor.
Call a doctor. See them lining up, now I kill him proper. I can do it on my own, I don't need a sponsor. My words cutthroat, higher than you do. Somebody hold me, I got a loose screw. Always grinding and hustling, never change crews. I'm the baddest, if it ain't about me, then it's fake news. Most controversial rapper in the game. Already got the money, I'm just doing it for fame. I'm the real beast, impossible to tame. What you see is competition, man, it's really a shame.
The real beast, impossible to tame. Yevana vash aliteme yele the beast and lulwane.
For fame, I'm the real beast, impossible to tame. What you see is competition, man, it's really a shame. I'm no goat, but I'm the greatest of all time. Put my feet.
That's Crosswave. Crosswave in Imba. I'm not the GOAT, but I'm the greatest of all time. And you know what? Okay, greatest of all time, abbreviation in the GOAT. So good at Mbuzi, but I'm also the GOAT, Baba. It's a dope line. Dope line.
Man, it's really a shame. I'm no goat, but I'm the greatest of all times. Put my feet up, I'ma smash it like 4 pounds. I'm chilling with the gang. If you slipping on me, you will miss the plan. When you with me, make sure you put on your seatbelt. Hyenas undefeated. We out here making dreams while y'all niggas seated. Even though you hating on me, man.
Hyenas undefeated. Stojiti or defeated the Hyenas za femini. Morning show la ya freestyle kendo ya ngwadzina mabana basha ene nikuidiva so odzi defeaters tojiti if nanapha intro nanapha that freestyle ya tojiti oyamba pa zimwe bitu ali I put your highness in an elephant gray, so defeated.
We out here making dreams while y'all niggas seated. Even though you hating on me, man, you want to defeat me. At least come with an AK. I told you I'm a beast, nigga. Ay. I'm sick and tired of you niggas, you like COVID. Your music waggy just made me keep on coughing. To me, you dead already, you just need a coffin. Hyena out, finna get me more money. Yeah, I'm in my zone. We got the Venda, hyenas, you know.
Napa ndiko dada. Okay, kamsi Crosswave otopeza ndo ayimbe ni munenga gumoni so. Hey, yeah, but guys, I don't know diva zondi or reponga sequence hapa. Please tell me guys, ndizo diva zondi mindinyi nani. But for now, ndo dada. But when Crosswave na kuyemba zona futi.
Sign that beat to the town where we go. Crossways on the beat, yeah we on.
I'm feeling the song, I'm getting on the road. I'm a real kid, I'm from Venda. I'm a real kid, I'm from Venda. We take it up, but yeah, we coming out. We coming out.
The end. Woo. Okay. Ndi Batondy bachikoda kabone bachi Venda Hyenas. What featuring like a lot of artists. Castro, Rootkid, Venda, JR Player, Unarine, Awesome Fan, Flomatic, na Crosswave. Okay, I gotta say, I'm gonna be honest on this song because I'm gonna be honest. K-track ya Batondy na Venda Hyenas. I wanna be honest, and but this is just gonna be like me, myself. Jesus do ba nne mune. Ndi tshi khou tamba with the fianga ka track. I tshi khou tamba uri ndi zwone, khou tamba with the fianga ka track. Okay, I'm disappointed. Like I'm really disappointed on this track. Why? But no, there are hip hop kana muziki wa hip hop. Which if Venda Hyenas. But there was a come of me. Here is another about like these are our representatives. These guys are representing us. I have one of Venda Hyenas, on offense Amanda hip hop. Other just like, and do you think you will be impressed? No, this is not impressive. Why I'm saying that? Most of Venda Hyenas, we need people who will bring in bars. We need people who will bring us metaphors, wordplay, like each and everything. Okay, for example, Apake track, I think that was his verse, which I said it was boring. If it was an sword, but that verse was boring. It was boring. It doesn't deserve to be on Venda Hyenas. I don't know if anyone never told about that, but I wish we had. Okay, Flomatic is fine. The guy or rapper Magumo, I think in the Crosswave, he was on fire. He was fire. Castro was fire, and then I think often I'm talking about Wookid on this one. I think we should have like gotten someone like Wookid, often Robert Namutu, maybe I don't know Mizophil, often Opangiwada, and then often Robert another now you. Ndikuchira ngokichichibwena kuti chaurasta chitakene kechi chachimba bad na McJ oyamba nakita teke ya Mizophil vimba wandikomwangwa owane mumura mandikomwango mwamba ne ana wori like king of freestyle pano Venda we pafaso paslo no mwangu mana ndamumura donibudza ene, and then I think if our natuno like these guys are gonna bring heat to the song, it was gonna be better. But wherever this even though yes, I didn't catch all the bars. I know I didn't catch all the bars. I know about that, but first thing when I'm going to just to talk, and everything, just to talk. When I'm going to check your Vaoya, Tangamo Venda, Jace Meshe, in order of Hyenas, and then that track. If you listen to that track, you can know, okay, these are the real Hyenas. Well, a lot of them represent and everything. So I'm disappointed, extremely disappointed on this track. You could have done better, guys. You could have done better. Like this is disappointing. This is disappointing. That's was just my truth, and I'm not gonna even rate the song. It was disappointing on my side. There are guys who did very well. The guy who rapped it last, I think, is Crosswave. Did big up my guy. You are the first guy to me, and then Castro, you are the second guy. Rootkid Venda, I wanted na JR. I don't know or some fan or rapper before flow or bring a fire. I don't know what yeah. It was good, but not good enough. As for that one, I think in the Unarine, boring verse. In the verse, and I'm just gonna like skip and everything. Like it was boring in my side and everything. And Church Pingaja didn't mean that. But his verse was just, it doesn't have the power. So I'm disappointed, and I'm extremely disappointed. Thank you very much. Come to subscribe.